This is jade bonsai plant. Now we are going to give a different look to this plant. First, we'll take off this mass here. We clean this place. And now see the jade plant now. I'll show you what are the material I'm using it. This is jade bonsai plant. Now we are going to give a different look to this plant. First, we'll take off this mass here. We clean this place. And now see the jade plant now. I'll show you what are the material I'm using it. These are the stones. These are the cut tile pieces. These pieces I'm using for the placement here. Like this, I'll place them and give a different look here. With this, I'm using these grasses. I'll show you how to make arrangement now. Depending on the space available here, we have to select the size of the stone. We kept a big piece. This is smaller piece. No, both are little bit smaller. Okay, and this is also. This is little bit bigger. We'll place this one here. The level of first we'll see the placement and arrange them afterwards. They should be in the same level. We'll do it now. Here there is a space. We can accommodate one more tile here. Yeah. You can place one tile here. We can have a small piece over here. That gives a better look to the better look to our arrangement. So this is big one. Now this will be our entire arrangement now. See here. It is going to be like this. We are filling this area with green moss, green grasses. Here in India we can't grow sphagnum moss frequently. That is due to this weather, hot weather, it is a little bit difficult to grow them. So instead of that sphagnum moss, I am using these grasses. I will arrange them now. Instead of sphagnum moss, I am using these tiny plants and I'll arrange entire area. I'll fill this entire area with these plants now. So you have to place them like that. So entire area will be filled with You have to spread it all over the place. Remove this one. This plant, no, it can be grown from the branches also. Place these branches over here and slowly it spreads all over the place and it gives a green look to the entire plant. Here I am holding the camera and with one hand I am doing with another hand. So it is little bit difficult to this tile is going down, so there is a level difference is between the this tile and the second tile. So I am filling that space with soil and placing the tile here. Still some level difference is there, so we can also put some more soil here. Going down. This is the garden soil. See the garden soil. You will get a fine powder. This fine powder you have to fill all these places. With this we have to fill the spaces between the tiles. With a brush clean this area. Now these tiles are loose, a little bit loose. They will settle slowly once you start watering the plant. Put the soil over the plants so the roots can settle properly. There won't be roots hanging in the air. Once you water the plant, the soil settles down. You can see only the plant. There won't be any soil above the leaves. There won't be any soil above the plant. So you can fill entire area with loose soil. This fine soil helps the tiles to settle down properly and settle down the roots in the soil. . good medium for growing roots. With a sharp knife, not a sharp knife, with a knife, push the soil down. So you can accommodate more soil in between these gaps. Then the tile will be stable, it won't move. Now there are gaps, we will fill all these gaps with soil. Now you can see they are sitting properly. Now it is you can see them. They perfectly fit into the soil. Clean with the brush.